This is fish, guys, and that is chicken. We will not forget Momo, okay? You know Momo, everywhere in Nepal you will find it. So this is Adigaon Momo. Let's give it a try. Adigaon Momo. Let's go. Be careful, okay? This is from my experience. Whenever you get Momo, don't dip it inside just like that. Because some places they used to keep not that hot. Some places even they serve it cool. Yeah, especially those places which they have soupy one, which they serve with Momo. But this one, oh my gosh, I almost burned all my tongue, guys. It was very hot. It was very hot. Now I can't even continue to eat more because I feel like my tongue is burned. But it's nice. This is puff Momo, guys. What makes it so special, guys, is the chutney, guys. This one. What makes it more special, guys? You see this chutney behind it. Make it more tastier. Now I'm scared to eat it more or at once. This is Adigaon Momo.